Yeah, yeah. New Mr. Blue today, look. This one here. That's me, obviously, Mr. Red. Just call me H. There's another Mr. Blue. We've got a problem, we've got two Mr. Blues today.
The one from Europe to US.
Yeah, look. Mr. Bronze. I don't know if he's ever won gold, but let's go check it out, see what's going on out here, right? Yeah, yeah. Hustlers are out here, look. Hustlers are out here. Mr. Bronze. You're Mr. Bronze today?
Yeah, okay, bro.
I call everyone by their bike name, look.
Yeah, bro.
Go on, can you smash it? Yeah, yeah.